Oh yeah, okay, in this video I'm going to show you another method of using the action and reaction strategy. Okay, and let's just quickly show you on the whiteboard what this will look like. Now, what we need to do is find a high and also find a low. Well, that's a high, that's a low. Alright, and then we basically draw a trend line to meet those 2 points up. Alright, then we need to look over to the left to find another pivot high or high. Okay, so we could probably have perhaps how can I draw this out? So we could have, I don't know, boom 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 boom. So that's the first immediate high. What you would need to do, okay, is calculate the bars from this point to this point, and if this point was say I don't know, say 12 bars or something like that, you would need to then count 12 bars into the future and draw a trend line in the same angle as this one, the same slope and angle. Okay, and then you just keep on drawing at the same distances apart from each other, 12, 12, 12, 12, and so on and so on and so on. And these areas are supposed to act as the reaction lines. Okay, these are reaction lines. Alright, and that's your action line. Okay, and when the market does what it needs to do, when it hits there, market might come down, or it just might pierce off and go back up, and then, you know, as it comes here, boom, it will hit that line, and then it will hit this one, and then it will pierce off, or peel off, or however you want to pronounce it. Okay, and then boom, down it comes, and just keeps hitting these reaction lines. So what I've done is already drawn on the chart for you. Let's take that off there. Okay, is this line, what I'm about to draw on now, that's our points of references that we, oh so no it's not, big pardon, it's the next one to the left. My bad. Okay, here we are. From this low down here to this high, we've connected our trend line up to these 2 points. Then I've gone to the next immediate high. I didn't want to choose that one because it's too close, so I've chose this one as well. Okay, and then I've just drawn this trend line in. Alright, now you can see that this, from this area to this area, is 21 bars. Okay, so what I've done in here is done 21 bars, and then where this red line meets up is actually the 21st bar, and then this one as well is also 21 bars away from the previous one. So I've basically drawn another trend line over the top of this one and then moved it over to here at this particular point of where it meets up, and I've done the same thing again as well. Alright, so you can see now that as the market has gone up and we found our highs, we probably would realize that this high is probably being established, you know, around about this particular point. And then once you start drawing all your lines, you'll see that, see how the market peeled away from that particular point and dropped. Okay, and then the market went up again and it stopped right there and it peeled away again. Alright, so let's take another trend line over here. Okay, and let's draw 21 bars. 1, 2, 3, 21 bars is on that red candle right there. So that's that one right there. So now look, that's just, I mean, this is amazing. That's where that one knocks off right there, and the market's just pushed through on that particular level, and then let's get another trend line out. Oops. Oh, this is really fiddly. Okay. Oh. Alright, let's try and make sure that these lines are kind of perfect, and then let's go ahead and take 21 points or 21 periods. So we've got, that'll be that little red candle there. Alright, and this time it's hit that point and then it's dropped off again. You won't always find them being perfect, but these will be the areas that you can probably look at, and they will target the next previous lows or next future lows. Alright, so we could probably keep on drawing these, and let's see if we can see if there's a a change. So 21 is actually on that green bar right there. Let's draw another trend line from the main area. Double click. Okay, and the market's fallen through again, so this is a point where we could actually target down here as well. Let's go ahead and keep on doing this to see how this would look like. Okay, it's on that red bar, on that red candle. Was it this one here? Okay, let's get a trend line from that one. Now I'm always going to be using this one as my center point, as my main master line, because these ones might be a little bit off. So, alright. And you can see where the point has actually hit that line and it's reversed and come back down again. Let's take another 21 bars. And that'll be on that candle just before the green one. Let's get another trend line out. Oops, really fiddly. Okay, let's move that one over here. So just basically keep doing this until until you're bored with doing it. Actually, I actually don't really like this one. I prefer the other one. But this one, does give you an idea of where the market's going to go once it breaks. It should actually come down and touch the next ones as well. Alright, but you could try that strategy out, see if you like it. Alright, I would probably prefer the first one actually out of these two. Alright, so I'll leave you with this video for what it's worth. Alright, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye for now.